Malaysia and Singapore are dynamic economic hubs in Southeast Asia, with hundreds of cargo ships and flights arriving daily. To support this vibrant trade, efficient logistics is essential. To address the challenges of delivering, installing, and meeting timelines for bulky goods, Joy Logistics is launching its Malaysia and Singapore bulky items delivery and installation service. The service provides seamless warehousing, delivery, and installation solutions for furniture, home appliances, and other bulky item clients. Our service will enable swift appointment and delivery with just one click. Next-day delivery is available in major cities. Joy Logistics self-operated warehouses allow for stock storage or on-site pickup. And the entire process is fully traceable. Orders are fulfilled promptly, with professional packaging and careful loading to ensure product safety. Our in-house delivery team also offers reverse logistics services for returns. Furniture, home appliances, and other bulky items are delivered and installed in a single visit, making the process convenient and hassle-free. From warehousing to delivery and installation, Joy Logistics offers an all-in-one solution for bulky items across Malaysia and Singapore.